Holy crap, it worked first try. That's pretty new. Alright, let me just make sure my VPN's working, and then we'll go ahead and start. Alright, looks like we're good. Audio is working, I think. Let me switch my song I'm listening to real quick. Oh wait, no. Let's do that one. Okay. Alright, cool. I think I'm ready. So, yeah, alright. Welcome to the Game Engine stream. Today is February 5th, Wednesday for me. Yeah, alright. Let's go ahead and get started. So, updates. So yesterday I skipped my stream. No particular reason, I just had some stuff to do, so I had to skip it yesterday. I did do some coding today and yesterday, so I'll go ahead and showcase that. And the coding I finished working on the text input widget, so all of that business I started on the last video or stream, I finished. So yeah. Trying to think of anything else I wanted to say right now before I get into the progress board. I think that's it. So yeah, we're still working on UI, so it's a slow grind, but it's coming along. I have I don't know, I guess it's gonna be like a random rant, but I have so many ideas of like things to add to the engine and whatnot, but I know they're not really necessary at the moment, and they're kind of just like, I can feel the scope creep, you know what I mean? So, yeah, trying to keep my focus in on what I'm doing right now, just so I can get it done and finish up Pong, right? Yeah, I don't know if that had any bearing on anything, but I just wanted to mention it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Are we showing the... Yeah, okay, cool. So here's the progress board, right? So yeah, I'll show you in a moment that I finished up the input widget. So I'll go ahead and showcase that. But yeah, we can go ahead and move that over to the completed tab. And this is a maybe. Hopefully the title is updated. Yeah, it looks like it's good, so... Wait, what? Why is it... It looks like it switched the name on YouTube to slider widget, and then it switched it back to text input for some reason. Bro, what? That's annoying. Okay, well, anyways, we're working on the slider widget today. I went through like a lot of issues with the text widget, or the text input widget, right? And yeah, I kind of mapped out like what I was going to do with the slider widget. It's actually fairly easy, especially with the tools that I've already added into the engine. So I'll kind of show like what I mean in a moment. But yeah, I think that's it for the progress board for me right now. So let's go ahead and maybe I'll show the commits that I worked on between last stream and this stream. And again, if you're watching the video, I'll have all of these like linked in the description, so you can just go straight to these commits. But if you're watching live, you can just go on my engine and see the ones that I worked on. I don't know if... Wait, add better cursor support. I don't know if... I think this one was the one I finished and posted right after the end of last stream. And then these two commits are the ones I did yesterday, and I did one today. I think I finished up some stuff. Let me just read it real quick. Add better text input, cursor support. Okay, yeah, that was just fixing some like issues with it, but and add more fields to text widget and other related changes. Yeah, I don't think any of these are like functional changes. These are just like underlying like things for setting up the text widget and text input widget. Yeah, it's just some refactor. And then adding the mouse picking. And I misspelled cursor, okay. Yeah, okay, so I think the summary of these commits basically is this first part right here was just making it so that, with this first part right here, these two commits, was setting up the like the movement of the text, like the cursor, the I-beam cursor. Like when you're moving back and forth, like left and right on the text, you can kind of move back and forth. This refactor was setting up for this part of the code, right? And then this one, basically, I just made it so that you can click, like, you know, if you have like an IDE open and you click, like it goes to that location in the text. So I added that support. And that was kind of like my finishing condition, right, for the text input, like where I'm comfortable stopping. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got done. So I'll go ahead and show it in the engine real quick, and then we can go ahead and move on to today's topic. But yeah, I had to go through a few different things with that, like one of the things I got hooked up, or like hung up on setting that up, was trying to calculate the position where, like, because of course you have like a mouse position, right, that you're clicking at, and then I need to calculate from the beginning up into that location and figure out like where in the text index, like where does that correspond with that mouse position. So that took a little bit of like math to get working, but once I got it working, it was actually not that bad. But yeah, I think that was like my biggest hurdle I was dealing with that. All right. So let me see if I can zoom this in so y'all can see. All right, so we have the text widget. Of course, we can hover over. If I click here, you know, we have the cursor. We can go back and forth. You can't hear it because I have the desktop audio muted, but there is like a little noise that plays when I move the cursor, so that I just have an on move function that gets called, and it just plays like a sound. So that's what it's doing there. But yeah, you can backspace on it. You can move the cursor and type wherever you want. Like, you know, what you would expect from a text widget, right? And the nice thing too now is you can mouse pick, and then it updates the location of the cursor. I don't know why it's supposed to reset, like, oh, you know what? Let me fix that really quick. When you click here, it's supposed to like reset the timer, but it's not doing that. I think I never added that in, but yeah, that pretty much summarizes the text widget at this point, right? So you can kind of do the normal things. I do plan on adding like a multi-text widget at some point, or like a multi-line text widget. That's what I meant, where you can have like multiple lines that go down. But I just don't need it for Pong, so that's why I'm not implementing it right now. Yeah, so let me go ahead and fix that bug. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got done. Yeah, let me fix that really quick. I know how to fix it too. I think it's runtime UI service. I think it always pops up on this one. Let's put it over here. And then it's one of these. I think the key. I'll go with this one. Oh, on move cursor internal, huh? Wait, where's the part where I... Wait, what am I trying to do? Is... Hold on. This one, this is what I'm worried about. Like, yeah, so I guess I only do it on the left and right, which makes sense. Okay, I might make this into a function, but it's like 2 lines, so I think I'm just going to keep it like this. I'm wondering if when I type, do I want to reset it as well? Revalidate text dimensions, and then move cursor if necessary. What is this? Okay, yeah, let's put it right here. Yeah, and then one more place, so here, and then also here. So this is the new function that I added that basically it handles the left mouse button. And then essentially it just checks if we're editing something, and then, you know, it only works in that case, right? And it provides the mouse position as well as the viewport data because we need it for some calculations. And then we get the window size and its dimensions. We get the widget size and its dimensions from the window, right? And then here we kind of do like some of the renderings, like not rendering, but like this is some of the code that was in the rendering code. But it just gets the text scaling factor and the text starting point, and then feeds it into this function. And I mean, you can kind of read the name, but it calculates cursor index from mouse position, right? So you provide it like a mouse position and some other like ancillary information and like the text you want it to work with, right? And then it outputs the actual cursor index that you want it to be updated to, and then you just update the cursor index. And then here is where I want to make this happen. So now when you click, it should reset the I-beam and essentially set it visible, and then set the accumulator to 0 so that like it stays on for like the duration of the, how do I say, the threshold, whatever. The threshold time being, what is it? Let me get out the way. Yeah, for now it's like just a constant value, 0.075 seconds. I'm listening to that new Weekend album too, it's pretty good. I do like Dawn FM more, but that's just because like I like the chill like background kind of feel of that album. But I do like how cinematic this album is. But yeah, I think you guys just hear Chop. I just want to be careful with the whole DMCA thing. Alright, so when I click... Yeah, there we go. I think when I type too... Yeah, it resets it. And then it starts flashing. Cool. So now it just resets the bar, so you see it when you type, and then when you click it, it's just so you can like see the bar when you click. And then it starts flashing again. My phone's going on me. Mute that, I always forget to do that. I should add that to my list of things to do. Alright, anyways. That fixes that bug. Quote unquote bug, I don't know. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into some new code. So maybe I can kind of show you, so I kind of already wrote out like what I wanted to look. I was looking at the new widget, the slider. I looked at some like reference of like how other people do the sliders and whatnot, and I think I came to like somewhere where I like it, you know. So okay, you know what, I'm gonna open it up in here. Is that Japanese or Chinese? I don't know. Those characters. But yeah, I'm gonna run back to the progress board really quick. Yeah, we're almost done then. Kind of excited about that. Really just these two widgets, and then just some like final cleanup stuff, right? And actually that input text was kind of intense for me. There's a lot of things that needed to kind of like get added in for it to work, right? This slider, I don't think is gonna be that bad, to be honest. And actually the combo, now that I really think about it, isn't that bad now that I have all of the things set up for it to work. So yeah, it shouldn't be that bad. So the slider. So the idea behind the slider, right, is you have this thin bar, right, and then you have like a vertical bar. I don't know what like dimensions I want to go with. We'll see. Now it's doing that. Hold on. Here we go. Yeah, there you go. There's your slider. I'm not really going to worry about like displaying the numbers yet because I think I want to display the numbers as like a text widget. And then kind of like, I think it depends on the UI, right? I don't want to like force that. You know what I mean? I'm assuming you as the viewer know what I mean. But yeah, you're able to slide it, right? And it slides along as you would guess, right? And yeah, there's like a few variables I'm going to need for this. The first thing is variables. Where is my resize, huh? It just refuses to. Okay, yeah, whatever. We'll do this. Okay, well the first one is bounds. Well, I'm gonna call them mbounds because that's like my way I do this. Mbounds, right? And then default will be like 0 and 1. Can we left align this? Yeah, there we go. Can I please resize it? Like, they're really not letting me resize it. It's so frustrating. Okay. And it only resizes that line too. I guess it's because it's kind of like a rich text kind of feel they're going for with this. I suppose they probably have the reasons for it. Alright, but we have mbounds. What else we gonna have? Probably like an on release. Script. Right. And then we'll do null pointer. And then line color. There we go. And then just some accessory stuff. So we'll do like line color. And then, you know, we'll just do like 1.0 as the color. And then nav color. There's a lot more things I can add to this, but I'm just trying to get like a basic implementation going. And I think this is like the basic amount of stuff I need for this to kind of like work. I mean, I don't need the colors, but like you would want it to like look, you know, somehow how you would want it. Presumably, you probably want to have like, how do I say, like textures you want to add on top of these, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'll add that later. But yeah, I think this is like the minimum variables. So basically, the bounds is just like a number that you provide, and then you'll have. I'm not going to display it at the moment, but you can do like the beginning bounds is like here. And then make this bigger, and then the ending bounds would be like 5. Okay. And then basically, I already have like, you're gonna have like a linear interpolation between these two numbers, and I already have an interpolation like that set up as its own thing, so that's not too hard. And yeah, you just whatever number you provide here is going to be an interpolation. You just go back and forth between the equation. And then of course, you need to make the mouse button click, and then needs to follow the mouse position on the x-axis. And then you probably want to provide like a color for this and a color for this, and then you're good. Let's see. Check the chat. Oh, Fukuzosu. Hey, how's it going? How's it going, man? Welcome to the stream I just started. Or you can probably see that, but yeah, I'm just kind of explaining what widget I'm planning on adding to the UI. Yeah, it's pretty much where I'm at right now. I'm trying to think of like what's the minimum variables that I need to provide to make this like slider widget work, you know? And yeah, I think just you need to provide like bounds, right? An on release script, right? So like when you like drag it, presumably once you release, then you would want to like update the value. Maybe you can make it continuous too. I don't know. Actually, yeah, maybe it'll be like an on move, maybe. I don't know. One of the two. I'll see. Because you might want to actually see like the changes like as you go. Like even if you're actually yeah, you actually something like this. Yeah, I might rename this though. But yeah, you just move it, and then it sets the value as you move it. So like if you had like a volume, right? Like you'd want to like move it and hear the volume change, right? That makes sense. I think that's it. I'm trying to think of anything else I'm forgetting right now. I guess I'll see when I'm in it. Oh, I mean, you probably want like a current value, so like a float current value. This will be a runtime value though. Like runtime value. Yeah, I think that's all I need, really. So, and then of course, like this stuff, presumably you'd be able to like set it at runtime, like when you initialize your, like if you have a script, right, you'd like initialize the value to like whatever you need. And of course you could like be like, oh, I want to have integers too. But currently I think I'm good on that. Or you can just convert it and then just like make a step between like the interpolated values. Yeah, so it's not too bad. Let's see. Oh, Fox, are you staying well rested? Yeah, I think that other day I was just I don't know, I had like crazy brain fog. I think I got my sleep today. Thanks for checking up on that. Yeah. Oh yeah. I finished that text widget the other day, so it's working now. This widget, the slider should be a lot easier to write. I mean, it's just two quads, as far as I can tell, and then just managing the state and a little bit of a linear interpolation. So shouldn't be too bad. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start. I don't think there's anything else I was thinking about with it. Let me copy this text though. But yeah, I'm gonna try to just take it easy. You know what I mean? Take it slow. Let me switch up this song I'm listening to. Let's see. All right, let's see. So let's get into the code. I suppose the first thing probably should do is add a slider widget, right? As a type. So I'll do slider widget. And then let's see. Where do I put? Okay, so let's just search wherever I use this, and we'll go from there. Yeah, let's see. So chat missing some variables, but you'll get around to it. Yeah, just like, you know, add them as needed, right? Figure it out. Okay, here we go. This is the deserialization code, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Let's go find the serialization one first. Oh no, this is the serialization. What am I talking about? It says serialize too. Alright, let's go ahead and do this one. Slider widget. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and bring this whole thing over, I guess. Alright. And we'll just go ahead and get rid of most of it for now. Call it input text widget. So let's just get this widget to be a thing first, and then we'll worry about everything else. Let's say slider widget. It's not a thing. Yeah, let's make it a thing real quick. Oh, no. do this. Yep. Yeah, let's toss it in. Alright, we'll take a look real quick. Get rid of all the unnecessary stuff. So, slider widget, looks like we're good here, selectable. Selectable, would you want to send? Yes, it would be selectable. Set text, no. Yeah, there's no text size with this. Definitely will be an on render. We'll take in the standard variables, yeah. I'll worry about that in a second. And yeah, we don't need this. It is selectable, so we'll leave this part. And then yeah, here's all the variables that I was talking about. Let's go ahead and toss these in. Alright, so we want a math. This is going to be a vec2, yeah. It's going to be like interpolation of float values, so. And bounds. And then, yeah, the standard value I'll go with is just 0 to 1. I forget what is there a keybind to like get rid of a line? Visual Studio, I wonder. That would be really convenient. I feel like I found that at some point, but then I forgot. Okay, there we go. Okay, I want to rename this something else. I want to move. I already have a move for selection data, so that's not. I need to be more specific. Also, what is this? Hold on, let me see. What is this thing called? Slider. I want to say knob, but like knob assumes turning. I don't know. Let's see. Enums and its classes. Why do you... Oh, see. So Fukizosu said, hey, just wondering, why do you have the widgets both as enums and as classes? What do you need the enum for? It just makes it easier for me to read. That's kind of like the main thing, right? It's really easy to just like... Because I don't really want to worry about like assuming polymorphism for everything, right? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess the answer is just it's more easier for me to read like an enum. Yeah. I guess that's my reasoning. I was trying to think of anything more, but I guess not. Let's see. Slider dial? Yeah, it's just like, what is it? How do I say? Like, I can kind of show you what I mean. Like, if I'm, like, trying to figure out what type it is, right? Like, I suppose you could make a function that returns that information in some way, but I feel like an enum is just like that, you know? So if I do, like, I don't know, like, if widget types, let's go here. You know, like right here, like if I don't know what this widget type is, like I could use polymorphism, right, to figure out what it is, I guess. Right, like, oh, is it equal to this type? But I feel like for me, it's just more readable to be like, is it this type of enum? Oh, it is, then, you know. Maybe I should make it like a const so that you can't modify it. I suppose if someone else was working with the code, I don't know, there's so many things that like I don't really care about, like private versus public. I like to more lean on like structs, just being like plain old data, and you just have functions that modify it, kind of like in C. So I kind of don't respect the private and public stuff in a lot of scenarios, because I'm the one working on it. Maybe later I'll have like a audit where I like start caring. Let's see. Says Fox loves you. All of my events extend a common class. You should be able to request a comparison by if is this works in C. Not sure about this language. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think you definitely can do that. Yeah, it's just this method's more readable for me. I think that's what I was talking about before. Like you could kind of compare it, like, yeah, because they're different types. Yeah. So I'm sure there's some way to be like, is it this type, right? But yeah, this is just super readable for me. Oh, I think I do that for like a few of my other systems too, like this like enum thing. It takes in a little extra data, but yeah, I don't mind the memory waste. It's like a number. Imagine if I stored everything as like a string too. That'd be kind of wild. Like, is it this type? And I typed in like inputs text widget. Oh, that'd be fun. I still don't know what the name of that like thing is. Let me ask ChatGPT. What do I call? Wait, is it called a slider? Like the thing that I'm sliding? It's a slider. That makes sense. Oh my. He said this mindset is why we need 32 gigs of RAM just to run. Oh my. I mean, I feel like there's bigger fish to fry, Fox, than like whether we have an enum in like a class, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, audio assets, like how you like move those in, or like textures, or like how you put in your data for you know, or if you're like sending data to the GPU, like what data you're putting there. Again, I feel there's like bigger issues to deal with than just like an enum. Yeah, and if it becomes like a bottleneck, then I'll deal with it, I guess. Yeah, just check. There isn't a nice way to do the C++. Obviously, you can make a util function of that, but yeah. Yeah, and then C++ doesn't have like proper reflection. They are trying to add that soon. I mean, that'd be cool if they add that nice static reflection. I guess I'll just call it a slider. On move slider, that makes sense. On move slider. Let's see. What did I call it? Oh, just on move slider, I guess. And then, wait. Yeah, okay. Pretty sure I wasn't messing up the wrong thing. And then this is on move cursor. We don't have this anymore, so it's on move cursor handle. Or on move slider handle, that's what I meant. And then we have two colors. So let's see. Vec 4. Oh yeah, my M underscore idiom. Can't forget that. Or standard, or whatever you want to call that. Line color? So knob color. Let's do slider color. Yeah, this Weekend album goes crazy. Line color. and this is a runtime value, so make sure I know that I'm not going to modify it. We'll... No, I was going to put 0.5 as the default value, just put 0. Oh, man. Let's see. M on move slider. M. Trying to line color. I guess line color is fine. I might be getting too caught up in the names, but it's just I want to make sure I get it kind of right now, because changing it later is a little annoying because the serialization gets stuck with the name. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and serialize this stuff. So, oh yeah, but okay. Wait, let me make sure I didn't forget anything. On render, selectable slider widgets, M widget type. Slider widgets. Okay, I think I'm good. I'm not like forgetting anything weird. Okay, let's go back to what I was doing. I think I was searching for that enum, so let's keep going. Oh yeah, I was adding it here. Let's see. I guess I can just copy this over. You do. Also, this is capitalized for some reason. Let's see. Like you do. You do. Okay, so that should serialize the selection data for me. That's good. And then, yeah, the slider specific data. Let's go ahead and serialize that real quick. And we'll go ahead and actually let's get another example. Let's look at this one. And then we'll say save input text unique slider unique function pointers. Okay, cool. You do. Okay. Slider. Yeah, there we go. On move cursor. There we go. Alright, let's see. Check my chat really quick. Let's see. Did I just check? There's just a nice way to do it. Yeah, I think C++ gets away with it by attaching the type in the object on instantiation, which overrides the base class and is just checked values, no name required, less memory. Both are valid. Yeah. I mean, I also kind of like my code being like, I don't know, I don't like wrapping things into classes or like wrapping things into functions. I like the C style of like setting up functions where like you call a function, then you can kind of like clearly see which one's being like handled, I suppose. I feel like the whole like class thing, and then like you have like a member function. I don't know. Sometimes for me, it's like it takes me a minute to kind of like get through like a code base that has like a lot of like member specific functions, but that's just like a personal thing. I bet there's some insane that has like 500 line template header. Doesn't make sense to even do it. I mean, yeah, probably. Yeah, I could see it. But also, I also don't love like the really, like my code is kind of simple on purpose, because like I like to come back and be able to read it really easily. And then like if I have a bunch of template code, I kind of assume that it's like you're not going to come back and read that template code once it's like set in stone, you know? Now, I get the argument that like, okay, if you have like a utility function, like you said, like they have like a C++ dev who like made a template library or like little header thing where like you wouldn't ever modify that code, you would just use it, then I kind of get it. But if you're using templates inside of your code, I get confused sometimes. Yeah. So. Yeah. What is it? Yeah, but I just like being able to like see the code and just kind of like follow the logic like directly. Like if I call a function, I open it, I'm like, okay, I'm here. I see what's happening. We're going straight here. There's no like indirection where I gotta like go search and whatnot. Oh no, I'm not. I mean, I'm just kind of using it as an example. I'm like, because I've seen other people like make the argument where it's like, why not just use the template? Like it's always easier. You can just do this. And I'm just like, yeah, but I don't know. I still like it being like clear. You know what I mean? Like there's times and places for the things, right? Let's see, slider. But then also like keeping it simple is kind of a hard thing to say, right? Because it's like what one person might find simple, someone else finds complicated. So I don't know. That's why we have all these languages everywhere, right? And everyone's like, this one's the best. No, this is the best. What are you talking about? Yeah. Let's call it bounds. Like I'm gonna end up with like some weird situation with these maps. I gotta look at my serialization code at some point. I think I have an overload for this. Yeah. On move cursor. Bounds. What were the other ones? Let me just code this thing. I think before too, I was also kind of like rushing myself to get stuff done really quickly and trying to like let myself take my time. Let's see. Bounds. It's like, I gotta finish this engine quickly. There's no way I'm finishing this engine quickly. Yeah, what do you even call finish with an engine, to be honest? Let's see. Okay, so bounds. I have the cursor. Okay, so then we want the slider color. So slider color. And then we have line color. Make sure I don't throw in a bug just for fun, as I do. Let's see. Line color. Let's see. Oh, did auto mod like flag something? I think I have my mod like slightly more aggressive than like normal. I don't know. I might change it back. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, I didn't see the message you sent. It didn't even pop up for me. Let's see. On move slider. I think that's it. Alright, cool. So we're serializing it. Of course I'm not. No, actually I can't deserialize it right now. Now that I thought about it. Okay, let me make sure I didn't throw in any bugs. Slider widgets. Yeah, I think we're good here. Actually, yeah, maybe I can change up the moderation rules a little bit. Doesn't need to be like super bad. I can check it. I can moderate it myself. Okay, give me like a minute. Just gonna empty the screen for a second. Where is my Twitch? Channel. Yeah, it's this one. Let's see. Yeah, moderation. There we go. Alright, there we go. Okay. I set it back to kind of like the normal, the default value you get for moderation. Wait, I must skip this song. Okay. Okay, there we go. What was I doing? Oh yeah, deserialization. Also gotta make sure I get rid of this script as well. Oh, you're a second to cough. Oh, shoot. Okay, what was I searching for earlier? I guess I closed it. I think I was searching for this. Let's keep looking. Input text. Okay, so here. Yeah, let's go here really quick. Okay, so this one. Let's copy this as well. Is this deserialization? It is. Okay. Okay, yeah. What is this? Why is this like this? I do not like these inline things. I used to do this a lot, but I gotta stop doing that. Is this the switch statement? I think it is. Yeah, okay. Oh. It's just... Or wait, why am I copy and pasting this? Let's just... If I split it, I'll do a new window. Oh yeah, I was thinking to myself too, I might add C++ scripting to the engine, but probably a bit later. It's not really like it's not a, what is the word? Like a priority for me. But I figure if anyone needs like functionality that's kind of like not supported specifically in my scripts, they can kind of take a crack at it, right? But I think specifically for the C++ scripts, maybe let's copy and paste this. Just change it over, actually. I think for the C++ scripts, I'm just gonna make them as like a separate project that you can kind of like open in Visual Studio, and then I won't lint it or anything. And then I'll assume if anyone is using the C++ scripts, they're kind of like they're good enough to like kind of like deal with the engine code themselves, right? I will of course add like certain things to it to make in like some documentation, right? But I figured the main documentation is just making sure that the engine code is easy to read. But then you'll still be able to link those into the current project and do whatever you like. Let's see, slider widget. But yeah, I definitely won't support it in the text editor. That's too much. Let's see. Okay, so slider. Oh yeah, and this thing. Where is it? Let's just make this an error. Sometimes when I like replace these things, like it like goes crazy. I mean, I guess it's in scope, so it probably wouldn't be an issue. I could just do the find and replace. But yeah, I don't want to take the risk and then like something random gets replaced, and I'm like, what the hell? Let's see. Okay, so none of this isn't a thing. The selection one, yeah, that's good. Alright. So these are the function pointers for this. So let's find on move cursor and replace it with on move slider. There we go. And then what is this? Comment gets slider widget. Okay. The one thing I do miss from Copilot is like the automatic comments. It was really nice. I don't really trust the AI on like normal code, but it's really good. It's really good with comments. Get slider specific, widget specific. Function pointers. Okay. It says this. Slider. Okay. And let's go ahead and deserialize the other ones. So what is the other ones? Let's see. Okay, I'm just looking at the code on the other screen. So that one gets the function pointer. The rest of them should be pretty easy. It's the bound slider color in this one. So get slider specific widgets fields. Sure, whatever. Open my eyes. It's never easy. Oh yeah, the only one that's specific, I think, is... Doesn't the input widget have some specific ones? Can I copy? I guess not. Alright. Guess I gotta write the code myself for once. Oh. Just saw a bug. Eek. Wait, shouldn't that have gotten replaced though? That's weird. In the previous one I put on move cursor, it's on move sliders. I don't know why that got left in there. Yeah, okay. So this is on move slider. Oh yeah, this one's just on move slider. Okay, I don't know. Right, let's do the bounds now. And I believe I have an overload for math with vec2. And then slider widget. Okay. Yep. This is specific. I gotta be careful with these names. Sometimes it causes a bug. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, at some point also I am gonna like do an overload for the serialization so that I can write everything directly to binary, because currently everything just uses the YAML. Which is not good for the production, or like the sending out parts of the code. Slider color. Line that it? Yeah, I think we're good. And again, I only do this specifically here because this is the only widget that has this type of thing, right? But if, I don't know, presumably if I had like another slider widget, I would abstract it into a struct, so I have to keep repeating myself. I do that selection thing, right? Where I deserialize it. Yeah, let me make sure I didn't throw in a bug here too. Let me read it. Selection, bound, slider, color. Okay, cool. I'll go ahead and close the second window. Dang, yeah. I see a few people in the on the, what is it called? In the Twitch and whatnot and everything. Thanks for coming by, guys. Appreciate it. Oh, are you talking about that's playing and think? Oh, I don't know. Let me see. Are you super curious or are you just kind of curious? Okay, you need to know. Okay, no, I got you. I got you, my guy. Where am I in the thing? Okay, so if I go to, I can figure this out. Let's see. So we're at 50. Okay. Yo, did I pause the song? Fukizosu. Okay, I did. Okay, cool. So, yeah, we're at 59, 58. Let me write that down. Which one are we in? I'm actually curious how I'm going to find this song. Let's see. Yeah, you know what? I'll give myself some optional homework for you, or for myself. Cookies those two. So I have the time. After I'm done on editing. I mean, I can kind of give you a hint. Let's see. But how I play my music is I save the music locally in like a big like audio buffer, right? And I just play the whole playlist at once, right? So I can't really tell you right now exactly which song it is, but let me see which playlist I'm playing. Yeah, I'm playing the first playlist. Yeah, I think I know how. Oh, this is my break time anyways. Let's see. There we go. It's a lot of text. I feel like I shouldn't paste this into I should not paste this into Twitch chat. I wonder there's some. Oh, okay. Let me just try to paste it. Let's paste the whole thing. Hey, it did. Okay, it's one of those songs. I'll give my. I think we're 59 minutes into the playlist, so it's probably one of the it's probably one of the first like 15 songs. But I'll give myself some homework later. I'll let you know if you're still here. Yeah, that's the best I can do for you right now. All right, it is my little break time. I'm gonna stretch my fingers. I'll be right back. Dang. Yeah, the reminder to stretch my fingers is so nice. Because I always forget. Yeah, the playlist doesn't really exist anywhere. So I ripped all the tracks from Chill Hop because they're all like they won't give you a DMCA or anything. And that's why I have it in my Twitch description. But the playlist I just kind of grabbed from there. But they don't exist as playlists. I just put the songs together. Yeah. But yeah, if you want to take a look at those things, let me know if you find it. It should be playing in that order. Yeah. I wrote a Python script so that it appends all those audio files together into one like audio file. So that's how they're playing in that order. All right, let's continue. What was I doing? Let's see. Oh yeah, I was gonna remove the script. Yeah, probably important. So I'm removing a script, not a texture. I don't care about a texture. Let's see. Okay, yeah, and this one is unique, so I gotta handle it specifically here. Slider widget. Let's just change it. Input text widget. Okay, let's take a look. So, I wonder if I can just. It is within the scope, so. Yeah, it tries to do all this. Like, it's so annoying. No. Let's see. Move slider. Oh wait. Move slider handle. Move slider handle. Good. I think that's it for that. I just need to check if it matches. And again, basically what this does is, right, is like, I have this function for remove script, and whenever I actually remove this script, right, like in my asset manager, it calls like an event or whatever that, like this function is linked into, right? And then it will look through the context of this user interface and then be like, oh, hey, you got a script here that no longer exists. Get that the hell out of here. And it does that for like all the assets, so I can kind of keep everything in sync. I am doing it manually, but also it's the editor, so yeah. I suppose you could just do a weak pointer, but I don't want all the extra if checks everywhere, especially at runtime, because all this is irrelevant at runtime. Let's see. Okay. Where was the... close that window again. Let me go here. I mean, I roughly know where to go, but I just like searching this just so I can kind of get everything. So let's keep going. So user interface here, here, and then here. Yeah, so we're good there. What's the next one? iBeam, huh? What is this? Set hovered widget internal, huh? Oh yeah, because if you set it as hovered, like this one in particular needs to change the icon. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah. I don't care about that. On press internal. If input text widget. What is this? On press? Oh, this is just handling. Yeah, I don't care about these. I'll come back and add them as necessary. Oh, you Shazammed the VOD. Oh. Hey, there you go. Well, I'm glad you found it. I feel like that Shazam thing never works for me. I don't know why. Maybe it's because my mic on my phone sucks. That's probably why. On move cursor internal. Yeah, I don't care about cursor internal. Okay, this one I do care about. Slider widget. Slider widget. There you go. Okay, button input. Single line? Okay, no, I don't care about this. What is this? Set editing widget by index. Yeah, and it's irrelevant. Yep, not relevant. Okay, yeah, so yeah, majority of these are not relevant. Oh yeah, for the this one. Yeah, I don't love this switch being here. I might make like a utility function that converts these. Probably just do that instead of having this switch here. Yeah, because it's getting a little bit messy. Okay, and here I gotta be careful because now I need what is it? Inputs, text, widgets. Oh yeah, and I can just hook this one into like whatever functions are relevant. Oh, that's good. All right, here we got this. Yeah, I'm gonna do another like look through this language definition thing. After I finish Pong, I'm gonna like clean up my scripting stuff a bit because it's getting a little unmanageable. Slider widget. Let's just do input text. Oh yeah, icon, huh? That's right. I should probably get an icon for it. Oh, dang it, and the text one looks like a slider too. Ah, no. Okay. Okay, wait. Let me see if I can find an icon. Pull this over for a second. Go to the website. Here's a go-to vector. Slider icon. Where's it? Yeah, slider. Yeah, let's try that. What y'all got for me? Oh yeah, actually, yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, you know what? Yeah, actually, that's pretty good. Okay, let me go ahead and download it. I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, cool. Let me close this as well. Wait, editor, resources, yeah. Yeah, at some point I'm probably gonna embed these icons into the source of the editor. I just haven't bothered yet. Also, these aren't final icons too, so let's see. What's a good viewport? Where do I put these? Content browser. Oh yeah, here. Yeah. Okay. Let's open this up. Ah. Oh. Yep. Let's do this. Also, maybe I can fit it a bit more. Kind of. Let's do like. Okay, let's do like this. I don't know. Let's do this. Right here. I guess I could just crop it. Okay, what's the dimensions of the selection? Okay, let's bring it up. There we go. It's gonna make them equal. There we go. And then what was the one? I think it's move select pixels. This one's move selection. Yeah, there we go. Is that centered? Yeah, that's good enough. I don't know. It's not worth like going crazy over. Okay, so let's do image crop to selection, and then we'll just upscale it. Maintain. Okay, still kind of. It'll be fine. I want to bring it back up to. I tried setting the number without like doing this whole tapping a million times, but it wasn't working. So I guess to probably distort it a little bit, but hopefully it's not too bad. Yeah. Okay. And then let's just take this, and then we'll just kind of do that. Make it sharper. There we go. And just a PNG, and whatever. Okay, cool. So now let's just hook up that icon really quick. Editor UI service. I'll be right back. Where's the viewport? Oh, what was I doing again? It was the runtime UI icons. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna do S icon. What is it? There we go. Okay, and then we're just gonna look everywhere we use this. I think I just need to like create it and then reset it. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay. S icon slider. And then all we gotta do is just change this to slider widget. And let's go to the reset. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, it just used in other places, so yeah, icon exists now. Let's go back to where I was at. Okay, there we go. S icon slider. There we go. Alright, back to what I was doing. Oh yeah, okay, so I'm gonna add this slider function everywhere, so we're gonna look for wherever we do the UI service stuff. Oh, it's I don't know. I know there's a way to like specifically, yeah, I think it's like, oh, we're here, it's fine. This is where I wanted to get to. All right, set text does not make sense here. Get text, do any of these make sense? Let's see. Display window. Oh, okay, it makes sense here. It is selectable. Slider widget. Yep. Is widget selected? Is widget selected? Yeah. Yep, it does have a selection. Widget text color. Nope. Well, this one's debatable. Oh, you know what? Yeah. Technically, it's relevant. Yeah. I'm kind of debating on this one. I don't know. We'll see. Set selected. Set widget image. Yep, nope. Okay, that's it. I will add some more functions as necessary, but I'm not worried about that right now. Let's go back. Okay, now I'll just stop doing that. Runtime, UI, service. Give myself a carpal tunnel. Get widget text. Range stopped working for a second. Okay, there we go. Yeah, here. Let's keep looking. So I think I already cleared. Yeah, I already cleared this part. This was the last bit of this, and now we're good. Server info. What is this? Oh yeah. I believe I'm good on that other one, but yeah, I gotta add this part. Slider widget. Yeah, I actually tried changing this to SD string view, but then I ended up with like a lot of weird. I probably could have figured it out, but it was just really annoying. So I might try const car pointer instead, since these are defined in the source code. And that still abides by the whole like null terminating thing. String views don't really abide by that, so gotta be careful. But yeah, so I'm thinking switching over to like const car pointer as a return value. Widget, okay. Yeah, okay. So that's good there. Let's go check. Okay, so I think that's it for all of the in-engine areas where I might manage the widget. So now is for the front end. Yeah. See how long this takes. Slider. Okay, let's make this a function. Okay. What? Oh yeah. back to where I was at. This is selectable, so yeah, this does go in here. I could probably widget tag, huh? Yeah, you know, I probably could just turn this into a utility function, or I could probably just do like a for loop, not a for loop, like just provide the string for this. The only things I just need to check if it's selectable, and then I need to do the switch. Yeah, you know what? Let me do that. This is getting kind of ridiculous here. Slider. Okay, let's figure out how to get this. So, button widget. No, I'm too lazy to do this. Yeah. I thought of you ways to do it, but like one thing I could do is like just define it once with the spaces, and then just when it because currently, if I go back to where I define this, like this thing, there's no spaces, right? So I was like, okay, maybe I can add a space here, and then have like a utility function that just removes the spaces before it returns it, or I could just define it twice. Yeah, I'm kind of too lazy to do both. I'll just keep supporting this. And it's not like I'm repeating myself. I only do that once, so I guess I'll come back to it if I have to keep doing it multiple times. Okay, where was I at? Yeah, okay. So, what about this one? This. Okay, these are the, yeah, no, we're fine on here. I don't really care. Then what's this? Add widget to window entry. Is this in the, oh yeah, this is in the tree panel. Okay, we definitely do this one for the icon. And nice, we have a slider icon. Slider, there we go. Okay, cool. I think that's it for like the enum anyways. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, so next thing. Yeah, again, so this is a lot of boring serialization stuff. So, just getting through it. I think we're about like 70% done with this, getting the setup though. What is the next part we want to set up? Okay, so I think the next one's going to be UI editor tree panel. Just going to take a look through here. Okay, so we're going to look for text widget. All right. So this one is going to be this is a little like pop-up tooltip thing that occurs, I guess. Yeah, and you know what? Here too, I could probably do like a for loop on the types, and then just no. But then I have to specifically provide these, though. No, yeah, yeah. This is still kind of specific to this location. Okay, let's go add these functions. Oh, well, I could wrap this thing into like one. Yeah, I might. They're all kind of samey. I might do that a little bit later. Slider widget. There we go. Yeah, because these are super samey, right? Like, let me see. Yeah, these are super samey. Yeah, I could probably chart this. I don't think there's any unique code here. Yeah, what I could do is that's a lot of repeated code. I'm trying to see if there's any like real differences. Yeah, I might abstract this a bit. Select widget. Yeah, I mean the icons are different. This is abstracted, so that's fine. This is specific. I could just like returns the type based on the widget. It's like a factory function. So we have this as a parameter, and then we have this as a parameter. Best viewers on my... There we go. All right. Okay, yeah, whatever. Do I want to abstract it? It is getting kind of ridiculous. We have like 7 of these now. Okay, again, we have... They have to make a factory function for this, though. What else is different? This icon... This is just provided by this. Also, why is this... Oh, no, this is just... It's default tag, it's assigned, yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to abstract it. So let's do an internal function. Widgets. Internal. And we'll go ahead and just make this private. And then we're just going to say void add widget. Append it with internal, I guess. And again, it needs an icon, and it needs the type that we're providing. I mean, I suppose I could just... create it, and then... Because this information is, how do I say? This information is not unique. This is every widget has these. Yeah, so I could just do this creation outside of this function. What does this check do? Get window path from providing entry, ensure it's valid. Get path from entry reference. Let's see. This is just making sure the entry we have is valid. The window. Yeah, that can stay here. That's just necessary to create the new entry. So yeah, just this needs to get removed out. This gets this tag, and then this icon. Okay, I think so. I'm gonna take this out. And where's that internal function I just added? So you need to provide that as a parameter. And then also ref to a widget. Widget. New widget. Okay, and it could be the parent type. It's fine. Okay, let's go ahead and paste it in. What's wrong with this? Shirt corner? What, are these not defined or something? With error type. Oh, okay, it doesn't know what it is because I need to include it. Do I want to include it in here? Yeah, I guess that's fine. This is also a pointer, so I could just do a forward declaration. I just gotta be careful with doing that too many times because it's kind of messy. Sometimes when you're trying to, like, I don't know, there's like weird errors that happen when they don't align properly and you change the type. But I guess it's fine. Yeah, this is fine. I mean, whatever. Hash include Cardano rendering texture. Okay. Then hash include. Does it not know it? Yeah, no, we're good. Cardano. Runtime UI. It's like the function does not match. Why aren't you an error type? Oh my. C++ compiler, man. Okay. Oh, we need the window entry. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we need the entry. Let me just call it entry. I'm doing this. Entry. Here we go. Anything else? Window entry. I think down here. Entry. Entry. Show me more errors, please. Okay. So we're gonna rip this out. And then this is going to be a new widget. Window. Window. Oh, this is add window. Hey, where's the other one? What are we talking about? Oh, wait a second. I yoinked this out, but yeah, this defines the window. Yeah. Silly me. Oh yeah, this has to happen after here. My bad. Okay, no, just this, I guess. Maybe I will make a factory function. Just make my life easier. Okay. No, that makes sense, yeah. Okay, then gotta make sure I provide the icons, so widget icon. New widgets. Let's make sure I don't throw any bugs in for fun, because I love doing that. Okay. Yeah, no, this is good. Yeah, okay, cool. So let's go find an example. So since we just got change the text widget, let's go to that one. And then we'll clean this up a bit. So we're gonna provide this. Still doing this. Everything else can get cleared out. And then all we have to do here is just provide the icon. So add widget internal. And what does this take again? It takes a entry. So I'll just call this, I don't know why I call it window entry. It's just entry. So entry, it's a reference, so it'll be good. Yeah. New widget, okay. So new, let's call it new widget. Why did my life harder, you know? Okay, and then here we just need to provide that icon. So S icon, wait, editor UI service, S icon texture. Yeah. Wait, no, this is text. What am I talking? S icon text. Widget. There we go. Okay. And there we go. And again, I could make this even easier by just doing like a factory function for this. I'm debating whether I want to do that though. But yeah, this is, well, at least it reduces down a lot of the text by quite a bit. Does make it a bit inflexible though, but whatever. Seems like it's worth it in this case. Okay, so now we're just going to go through each of these. New widget. And then, yeah, we'll get rid of all this repeated code. All right, let's paste this here, actually. And then we can just take this. And then, again, this thing's called window edge. Hate it. And then new, this is going to be called new widget. And then the icon is going to be this one. So I just gotta rinse and repeat a few times. Again, I don't see any specific code here that's different, so we're good. Okay, let's just keep going. The image one. Again, make sure there's no unique code here. No, I think we're good. All right. Texture icon. And this one is a image widget. And yeah, that's good. Okay, let's see. So this one's image button widget. Yeah. I didn't plan to start refactoring, but sometimes when it looks ridiculous, I'm like, yeah, I gotta fix this. I'm just gonna refactor this one bit. That's about it. And almost done. Can't see. Okay, this one is checkbox. Still the same. Okay, here we go. Yep. And again, I could probably abstract this more, but I still like having like a specific dedicated function for doing this, and just keep this like simple like this. Yeah, now all I gotta do is just this. And then we're just gonna do slider widget. There we go. Nice. Yeah, I'll leave that, I guess. Alright, let's keep looking for text widget really quick. So we had that slider widget. I swear there was a second one. No, we're good here. Yeah. Here it is. Okay, probably could turn this into like a function so I don't have to keep doing it twice. Might do that, but not the worst thing ever. Not the worst thing ever here. Add slider widget. There we go. Slider. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So now the tree panel should work. We were able to create widgets, so that's always a good thing. Why is this? What? Why is it cleared? Do I use this anywhere? I must have cleared it out at some point. Let's just let the IDE tell me. Okay, yeah, no, this is just useless. Okay, I don't know what your story is, function, but go away. All right. So, oh, still an error here. What is that? Oh. Wait. What? Hold on. Let me look at the diff for this really quick. Did I erase something? Wait. Yeah, let me look at the diff for this one. Save it. Did I break something? What's going on with that? Oh, not properties. Add text widget, add image widget, yep, add checkbox, yep, text, yep. Yeah, what? What? Wait, so this takes in a tree entry. What? Okay. Now it's an error? Because it was linked to nothing? Okay. I don't know how that happened. Stop showing me a diff, please. Just give me the actual file. Okay, add window. Let's go find that thing. So this one's fine. Then right click and add window. So what is this one? Oh, okay. Yeah, no. This is garbage. I'll get rid of that. I don't even know why that was still there. Okay. Let's head over to the properties panel so we can actually modify the variables. This will be probably the most involved part. Again, let's keep the diff. All right. Edit. What's this new widget we're adding? Oh, we'll just copy and paste it over, I guess. Yeah, let's do this one. Input text. Slider widget. Slider widget. Fill that. Okay, so yeah, this whole text situation's gotta go. But this on press and then on move cursor. So this is now on move slider. And now I gotta add some specific widgets to deal with this. So I forgot which ones it was. Let's see. Editor UI. Yeah, let's head over to the runtime UI really quick. Runtime UI really quick. What's up? Talking so fast. Mincing my words. Slider. Slider widget. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so we're not modifying this at runtime, so I'm not serializing it. I don't care about that one. Yeah, these. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this one's going to be a edit vec2. Which I guess I don't have anywhere, do I? Oh, here it is. Is it an ivec2? No, it's just a vec2. It's not an ivec2. Widget? Is it? Oh my gosh. Silly me. Okay, this is not ivec2, it's just a vec2. And then we already have our select options for this one. That's good. I'll put this below the... yeah, my function board is being at the bottom. Let's maintain the order, and then we want a vec4, so let's bring this down. And slider color. And then we'll do line color. And I think that's it. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and grab these. We'll grab all these, I guess. And next thing is we're gonna head up and then go ahead and add something right here. This is gonna be the slider widget options, of course. Gotta make it a thing. Okay, let's head over to this, make sure I call the function. Alright, make sure I draw it as well. Oh, I did already define it, good. Okay, and last thing is just to add these onModify functions. The good thing is some of these are already abstracted, so I don't have to re-implement them. I don't think I have to re-implement. Let's see. Okay, this is where this stops. Let's go ahead and just paste this right here. So I think... copy this over. Yeah. So let's do input text widget, and then this time we'll do slider widget. That's what I meant to do last time. And then this is just slider widget, slider, Okay. This one is the on move slider. So that is for that one. And I need to find this as well. This is the on press because I don't have a good way to like abstract the tooltip. It's just abstracting it would be more messy than just like defining it multiple times. But maybe I'll figure some way to abstract it. Let's see. Let's see. Move slider. I just replaced it. And then see the cursor there. Okay, so that's for that one. This one, slider widget on press. That's good. So that means everything. What is this slider widget? Oh, bounds. Okay. All right, so everything above here is good, and this one is defined with this. Well, let's not erase it, my bad. I'm gonna be referencing this in a second. But yeah, these are good. This is good. So just these three. So bound, slider, and color. So let's find a vec2 one. Do I really not have a vec2 one anywhere? Really? Probably up here somewhere. There we go. Modify widget bounds. Just saw that. Widgets. I'm just gonna put widget because I like being clear. I know I mixed the name super long. Modify. Okay, here we go. So there we go. Bounds. Okay, now two more. So now we're gonna do modify widget colors. These ones are vec4, so I can just yoink a vec4 from something. When you're trying to find one, it's never there. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this one is text data. No, it is slider widget. And this one is slider color. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. I'm going to be using that in a second. Go ahead and define all these. Okay, so now all the unmodified functions are done, so that's good. I still have this, right? Cool. All right, so let's get this initialization going. So now we just need to initialize them with the correct values and then just draw them, and then we're done. So we'll bring this down here. Just do an if 0, make sure I don't forget that they're here. Okay. Ooh, okay. Let's go get the selection ones. Yeah, let's just yoink this whole thing. Okay, we'll do a few find and replaces real quick. So input text slider. There we go. Next thing is input space text slider. What else? Yeah, I think that's good. All right, so all the text stuff is not applicable here. On move cursor, yeah, we don't have this. We'll change cursor to yeah, there we go, slider. There we go. These aren't defined, probably because on widget, if I added a widget at the end of it for these, probably should go back and do that for the rest of them. But there we go. All right, those are defined. All right, so these are the common ones. And nice thing is, for like these, I mean, except for this one, of course, because I can't figure out how to abstract it. But the remaining of these, like the actual modify functions, are already defined. Yeah, so these are common, so I don't have to keep redefining them. All right, so now we just need to get these. Yeah, just these three basically. So bound, slider color, and line color. So let's... The colors I'll do first since they're the easiest. We'll do right here. We'll do... Oh, you know what? Maybe I can just do background. Switch it to slider. Is that gonna work? Okay, but this one is on modify widget line color. That was the name of it. Yeah. Save break time. Oh yeah, it's been 2 hours there on the dot. Let me check my music too. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. Alright, I am determined by the end of this stream to just see something on the screen. I'm pretty sure I can do it. Yeah, we're almost done with this. And the one good thing is hopefully I don't have to like keep going crazy with all of these like widgets, right? Like I think the widgets that I have, except for like maybe some organization widgets like vertical container, horizontal container, these widgets that I defined here, right, like the slider widget and the combo widget, and then all the other ones I added already, I think those, and the input widget and text and whatnot, those I think define like 90% of use cases for like in-game UI. Yeah, there's a few other things like adding like vertical and horizontal containers, which is maybe I should rename this to that actually. But yeah, if any new functionality, I'll just add them generally to the widgets, so that'll be good. Alright, enough blabbering, let's get going. Let's see. We have slider color. Do I want to restrict it to that? Yeah, it's a color slider, so yep. Alright, let's do line color. Okay, specifically slider color. We're gonna do line color. Just do this. Okay. Oh, yo, bug. Okay. Alright, yeah, so that's good. The only other one is the bounds now. And that one's going to be a bit unique. Let's go find an example. I don't really remember which ones is a vec2. Yeah, let's go with this one, sure. What do you mean? It's not in here. This is the header file, isn't it? Yeah, it is. This is the drawing functions. Okay, here we go. Just take me back. Take me back to where I was at. Okay. Okay, bounds, huh? Bounds. I guess bounds goes probably above the function pointers. Or, you know what, let me not mess with the order. I had it before. Where does this go? Let's put it above slider then, color. Alright. Bounds. Let's just do one. Slider, widget, bounds. There we go. The bounds got bounds, I feel that. Let's see. On modify slider. Bounds? Bro, where are my bounds? Did I not find it, really? Oh. Okay. All right, there we go. Cool. Okay, cool. So, yeah, we are good there. Again, like, majority of these are good. It's just the unique ones I need to like write myself a little bit more. So slider color, line color, and bounds. And then the onMove slider. OnMove slider, is that a... I think it's a void none function. Yeah. I don't think I need any parameters for that. Oh wait, no. No, that is a on float function. Yeah, it should return the actual interpolated value. Okay, well that's an implementation thing. I'll get into that. That's not too hard to do. Okay. What time is it? It's been about 2 hours and 8 minutes. All right, I'm gonna take a quick break. I think I gotta let my brain rest for a second. Let's see. Ukizosu. I've been trying to get an is keyword go. You've been doing it? Yeah, C++ being statically typed is kind of tough, yeah. Yeah, and then templates and whatnot have their limits. Or like templates and all of like the static stuff kind of has its limits. But yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Probably 5 minutes. Okay. I'm back. Oh, ow. Alright, let's get this done. So yeah, let me pull up a second window. Ooh, okay, and let's head down to these functions, these new ones. Properties panel. Here we go. Okay. So these ones. The tooltip on press. So let's just go find another one of these. On tooltip. Yep, tooltip. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I don't love that this is repeated code, like at all. The main issue I was having is just making sure that I have like a reference to this specific spec, right? So I mean, one solution I had was adding like a static reference and then assigning it when you start the tooltip, so that like when the tooltip is open, we're specifically referencing like this particular one that we like injected into here, right? What was the issue? I forgot. Oh yeah, I remember now. Yeah, it's just hard to provide this part. And I think in order to modify that, I would have had to like provide it as a variable or something. Yeah, this is super specific. I mean, yeah, I could probably just modify this and then provide the type as like a parameter or whatever, or like as an argument, or I don't know, whatever, and then inject it that way. Were there any other issues though? Let me see. Tree panel, yeah, that's universal. This one, and you're always going to need this, so it's not like it'd be messing with like the API in like a weird way. Yeah, I might refactor this off stream. Maybe I'll give myself a reminder. Let's see. This chair. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think probably after stream I'll just go ahead and abstract this. I don't have to keep copying and pasting it every time. Alright, but yeah, for now, we'll keep going the way it is. Because yeah, like 90% of this code is the same. Yeah, and then finding the things to change in here is kind of annoying. Wait, what is this? On modify slider. Oh, no. Wait, I have a button on press? Hold on. Oh, it's just slider. Okay, yeah, it's not on modify, yeah. Slider. Yeah, see, this is like too much, like trying to like remember all this stuff. Yeah, I need to abstract this. I'll do this right after, definitely. Which one is it? On press. Okay, yeah, and then here's like a prime example of like, what's it called? Like I need specific function types because this one's not going to be a void none. When I call this function, it needs to return a float because I need to be aware of like where we're at, right? Oh, okay, well this one's a void none, though. Oh no, but my issue was that like one of them wasn't a void none. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, issue still stands, just, yeah. I guess that was a different function. Sorry if it sounds like I'm rambling, I'm just kind of, you know. Just trying to figure it out. Yeah, was there anything else? Active button, selection data. Okay, yeah, then here. Yeah, this is silly. Why is it? Yeah, no, this needs to be abstracted, definitely. Slider widget. Okay, I think I'm good. I'm just making sure I didn't leave anything silly in here. Yeah, definitely could abstract this. It's kind of annoying me, honestly. Alright, let's keep going. So now we're in a unique code land, right? So we've got to start adding some new stuff. Let's find something with this. We'll copy it over. There we go. That's pretty simple. This one's going to be a little bit more specific though, because it needs to be aware of the type. So, but yeah, the majority of these are just going to be like this. So let's get the widget, underlying widget type. And then here we want, what am I thinking of? Slider, yeah, runtime UI, slider widget, pointer, slider, active slider. I like doing that. Easy to copy and paste. Is equal to. Okay, we already asserted that this is active, right? Part of the next thing is ensure you have the correct widget type. And you know what? I'm going to assert it because, yeah, it really shouldn't be the wrong type if we're actually getting this data from here. So I should be aware of that immediately. So runtime UI slider widget. Oh no, widget. Oh no, wait. What am I doing? M active widget. We're going to assert that it's equal to runtime UI slider widget. Yeah, step aside another thing. Get the underlying widget type. So now we're going to get the M active widget. We're going to cast this to this thing. We want to .get it. Oh no, we don't. Wait, no, we don't want to get it. I think it's the raw pointer. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now active slider. Wait, no. My brain's starting to fall out a bit. This is for the bounds, right? Bounds. There's bounds in there too. Okay, there we go. Widget value. Okay, there we go. So this is just rinse and repeat for the rest of these, actually. So we're just going to take this, the color, and the line. And the only thing we really change is just this vec4. And this is going to be slider color. Anything else? Yeah, that's it. So this one is vec4, and this one's going to be the line color. I don't think there's anything else I need to update for the bounce. I'm probably going to have to do some validation here, but I'm not going to... I don't really know what yet, so I'm not going to guess. Okay, now this is the quote-unquote hard part. Because the on options is always annoying. Well, it's a script one. Let me go find... Let's see. On open pop-up. No, wait. Let's just head over to the header file. Where is it? On modify. Where's the select option in here? Oh, this is a good example here. On move cursor. Okay. Let's bring this over here. Okay. On modify slider widget. Slider reverse is supposed to be widget slide. Whatever. Okay. So this is the on modify. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Input text. Let's swap this over to slider. Yeah. Was there anything else I had to do with this? I don't remember. Yeah, I think I made it so that it was nondescript. That's good. Yeah, as an underlying widget type. Yeah. Okay, so then where's this M? There we go. Let's see. Alright, let's bring this down. I think I heard a message, but I'm just trying to get this real quick before I forget what I'm doing. Let's see. Okay. I think that's it for this one. Because we're just setting it here, so that's good. Yeah, we only have to do this for unique ones. Let me just paste this in real quick. And I'm hoping I have a, because this is a void none, I'm hoping I have a void float. I'm pretty sure I do. Oh, okay. Okay, I think it's the only change I needed to make. Everything else is just getting the scripts. And then the last one is this monstrosity, which I really hate having to copy and paste. Maybe I'll make a note to, like, take a look at this as, like, just this in general, me doing this type of thing with tooltips. Okay, let me see, where's my... Alright. Okay, I'm looking on YouTube, by the way. Originate, can you show me what you've done so far? Oh yeah. Let me see. Let me remember, does this compile currently? Let me see. Okay, let me make sure it compiles really quick. I don't think I see any errors, but let me just be careful. I'm like right at the end of it too. Let me just make sure. You leave me like a minute. I think this one is what's it? I think I could just change it to slider widget. and then move slider. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then change this one. I'm doing else. I was trying to check if it had errors. Okay, let me just I'll go ahead and let it compile. All right, so let's see. Again, Origin, I guess he's on YouTube. We asked to see where I'm at. So basically, while it's compiling, I can kind of tell you too. So I'm on my last two widgets, right? Last stream I added the text input widget, so like it's in there and it's like basic state, right? Oh, sorry, just drinking something. Yeah, so right now I'm just working on a slider widget, and then after I'm done with this, I'll do a combo, right? Or like a select option type of widget, you know what I'm saying? I forget the other name for it. And then after this, I'm gonna do some like vertical containers. And yeah, pretty much almost done. So I got about, I'd say I'm about like 70–80% done with my widgets. Let's see where it's at compiling. I don't think I need the second version of this. Let's get this one. Wait, there? Oh, there's extra windows. I can't tell which one's the... Okay, here we go. Alright, give me like... Oh, I'll let it compile, but I'm just gonna be muted for a second. Yeah, I think it's taking a minute because I changed kind of a big file in the one of the header files. Okay, yeah, there we go. All right. So hopefully it doesn't crash because I just added some stuff. I haven't tested it. Oh, for sure. Appreciate it, man. Origin said, no problem. Let me video, by the way. Appreciate it. All right, so I'll just show you like the current UI, I suppose. So this is mainly what I worked on between like this stream and last stream, was just getting this working, right? I suppose I can bring it full screen, right? It's aligned on the left side. I'll add padding at some point. It's not that hard to add, so I'll figure that out. But yeah, you can navigate now, right? And then you get the little blinking thing and whatnot. I mean, it's a text box, right? You can't hear it, but I do have like noises going off every time you type, right? So I added some like function calls for that. And also the mouse does work for it, so you can like click. So that took a little bit of time to get in earlier today. But yeah, I mean, honestly, that's mainly what I added in. So you can like modify it, and yeah, in the test UI, where is it? So I'm not gonna wear a slider for a second. I know one's broken. Yeah, so we got like, let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, text widget, image button, checkbox, input text, and I'm adding a slider, and one more is going to be combo, and then that'll be kind of like the minimum widgets for Pong, right? It's just to get out of the way, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty much what I got to show. It's not like the most craziest stuff, but got to get these widgets in, you know what I mean? Let's see. Yeah, if you have any questions about the code or anything, just let me know. Anything specific, but yeah, that's basically it. Alright, let me remember where was I at? Okay, here. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this was the last function. So yes. So let's do this one. Yeah, slider widget. Okay. And yeah, okay, I think I was saying earlier, I need to figure out a way to abstract this so I don't have to keep doing it for every single type. So yeah, I'm gonna do that off stream. Can't talk. Let's see. Oh wait. But yeah, by the end of the stream, how much time do I have left? About 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes. Okay. Yeah, I really want to see something on the screen with a slider, so let's see if I can do it. Oh, for sure. Alright, you know. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. Where is the... Hold on, what? What? Wait, what? Oh. What did I do? No, it's active slider widget. Yeah, I'm getting delirious. I gotta get some food in a little bit after I finish the stream. Okay, this is the one I should have replaced. There we go. Okay, so this is gonna be this one. Okay. Slider, slider, slider. Lots of sliders. Let me just make sure. The other thing was this thing. It has to be a void float, because it's actually the type of the script. And there's one more definition somewhere. There it is. So yeah, I think I'm going to pass this as a parameter into here, and then I don't have to keep doing this. Yeah, these nested lambdas are killing me too. Okay, I think I'm good though. Yeah. Alright, let's take another look, make sure. Void float, yep. It only allows void floats. Yep, yep, that's good, that's good. Say, yep. Okay, and these ones are really simple. You just change the colors. Colors don't really have any bearings on anything. So you don't have to validate anything. This one, again, I might need some validation for it, but I don't know what yet, so I'm not going to worry about it. And everything else should be defined, so I think we're good. Take me back. Okay. Give me my thumb carpal tunnel. Let's see. Okay, so we have initialized. I think the last thing is just drawing it. So that should be pretty easy. Okay, finally, we're almost done. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. I think I will copy this one. This one's drawing function. Let's go ahead and yoink it. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's be careful about copying and pasting. Let's see. Input text. Slider. Sure. Just one. Okay. And then input text. Slider. There we go. Okay, so again, the text is irrelevant, so this is not a thing. I chose this one because the selectable part is in common. This one's nice because all I have to do is just change cursor to, what was it, slider? I think. And yeah, that's the first function right there. Okay, so now it's just those two background color ones, and then that one edit vec2 thing. So, or these are like the specific to the slider ones. So this is the background color, we'll put it on top. And we'll change, I think, background to... Actually, yeah, this one's slider. Slider. Yep. Okay, it's not called M default. So this one is called slider color. Yep. Oh, gotta be careful with that. Yeah, because if I swap slider out, it's gonna break everything. All right. There we go. Got the line color. Nice. And then this is not selection data. This is... There we go. Okay, so the last one is the... Let's go find like a... Let's go find this. Then we're gonna do 2. There we go. So this is the type, right, of the one I'm worried about. So do I want to put it above? Yeah, let's put it right here, no matter. Okay, so this one, it is bounds. This one I'm just gonna do this. Bounds. And of course this is this one. And then I'm active widget. I don't know, we want active slider widget. And bounds. There we go. Okay, there we go. There's the rendering code. Just took 3 hours to get one. Yeah, I need to do some more refactoring. Alright, let's let me check one more thing. I have a sneaking suspicion I'm forgetting something. Like a switch statement or something? Which it's kind of silly that it's in here, but it is what it is. Okay. Oh wait, no, this is Apple. Do widget types. Text widget. No, we're good there. No, I think I checked that earlier, I guess. Okay, cool. Alright, let's go ahead and actually draw something, yeah? Okay, let's see. We'll go here. I don't know if I've implemented it yet. Or I implemented it if I define the function. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it is defined. Okay, there we go. All right, so now here is the like creativity, I guess, or like where we're actually gonna be like, or I'm gonna be thinking a little bit. Let's see. I don't know if I can. The idea is pretty simple, right? We just need to draw a quad, right? We draw one really thin quad that is the length of the widget, and then we just need to draw another quad, but its location is based on the current value, right? So for now, I'm just going to just draw this like here, and then just see if I can modify the colors and whatnot. I just want to see something on the screen. So yeah, let's figure that out. Yeah, we'll start with this one. Oh. I got my it's time to stop reminder, but let's keep going. Render background. Okay, so this one renders, I mean, the background, yeah. Okay, this one renders the cursor, so this is probably more relevant. Do I care about the text? No, there's no text. Okay, so this is gonna be a lot simpler. Let's just do this. We'll just add it, sure, whatever. Static void render slider line render location. Let's do this. We'll do widget location. Do I call it? Let's do translation. That's what I've been calling it. Okay, I guess I'll add another one as well. No, let's do this one first because I don't know what I'm gonna need. Yeah, let's do the line first. Okay. So let's copy and paste this, and then we'll get rid of all the unnecessary stuff. Also, this being called background input is kind of a misnomer now, so I might change that. Okay. So let's see. What are we feeding into this? Oh, you know what? Actually, I think the background is the closest, now that I think about it. Not this one. Let's go find render background. Yeah, this is the closest, but never mind. Okay, if color, sure, yeah, why not? So I guess I'm not passing the. Wait, what do I pass into the background? Let's see. Oh, yeah, I guess it's relevant. Okay, translate, and then... Okay, yeah, I guess I'll change the name, sure, whatever. Size. Okay, yeah, it renders, cool. So the background, it covers the entire, like, bounding box of the widget, right? So actually, we just need, like, a size. Wait, do we do this calculate? Because what are we doing here? Okay, we're getting this, and then... Okay, yeah, we do the translation stuff directly here. Good. So that means I can just do this here. Let me head over to my little diagram. I mean, the bounding box in the background is like this, right? Like it covers the whole thing like this, right? If I can bring these to the top. Difference, yeah. Okay, so let's put this in the back. Right, so this is the background, this is how it's defined, right? The line, right, is just in the middle, it's just thinner. Just a thin line, right? So as far as the x-axis, it seems like it's fine, but the y-axis, I just need to manage that myself a bit more. So let's see. Size. Oh, you know what? Maybe I can... Let me just try it. Let's see. Let's just... Yeah, let's just say, like, is this const? It is const, okay. Float. Slider line height is equal to 0.1.5 times... I might put it as a constant. No, actually it should be based on the size of the widget, never mind. Times size.y. Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to take this and let's find size here. Let's just see what this does. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's not. Let's do size.y, which is just this, I believe. And scale it. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, no. Slider size, never mind. We'll make this a vec2. Put a little temporary here. Or vec3. Slider size. So the y value is that. This is just size.x, and then this is just size.z, or size z, or whatever. Okay, now slider size.y. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is wrong. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Alright, so let's go ahead and like call this function. Just take me to the on render, please. Okay, so what do we need? We need a color, translation, and size. Easy. Oh, you got it, Fukusosu. Okay, nice. I mean, you proved you could do it, so that's good. Let's see. Where is the one? Were you working on anything else? I hope I didn't pull you like from something else. Let's see. Render the background line. Okay, color. So this is going to be m underscore line color. Easy as that. Wait, it's close. Widget translation, and then widget size. Oh, I got you. Oh, sure. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I have to do this friend thing. Don't love this. Oh, you haven't done macro stuff before? Yeah. I don't know. I feel like I go back and forth on like whether I like macros or not. Let's see. I do use them, but yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it's confusing for me. What am I just doing? Slider widget. There we go. Okay, here we go. Is this it? Really? Is that all I have to do? Do I have to do like a plus? Oh no, I guess I'm good. Okay. Oh, I should probably render the background too. Sure, yeah, why not? Why not, why not, why not? Yeah, we're not gonna do all this if statement thing though. So we'll do the background, and then we'll go ahead and increment the size. The starting point. The starting point is z-axis. Wait, let me find another example. Where is it? Where are you at? Here it is. That's what I want. Gotta love magic numbers. Okay, and then, yeah, this is not an editing thing, so let's get rid of this. So it's just checking if it's hovered or selected, right? Should I render the background? Yeah, I don't know. Let's just go with it for now. All right, I think that's good. Let's am I calling this anywhere? Oh no, this is a polymorphic, so it'll get called. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's check it out. I haven't really done macros, so So what is the ending API, or I don't know, Fukuzosu? What does the ending API look like for that macro thing you did? Do you wrap like the whole conditional into like a macro, or is it like the macro just returns the type or something? Or you said is this? Is this? Yeah, I guess there's a lot of ways you can go about that, huh? Oh, I got you. Oh, that's the... Oh, I got you, I got you. Okay, cool. Yeah. Wait, is that's in C++ has is. Interesting. Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah, I can't wait until C++ 26 comes out and people can actually compile it. Because that static reflection is going to be really nice. Just being able to like have functions to check all the types and everything. Let's see. Yeah, you have to get around it in like very weird ways. All right, let's see if I crash. Let's try it out. Ooh, crash. Oh yeah. So that's weird that I have to define this. Yeah, I don't know if I love this. Whatever, slider. Yeah, sure. Try it again. Yeah, the 26th. I hear it's kind of like a lot though, so I don't know like how that's all gonna go. But they're saying the next standard, they're trying to do it. So let's see. That would be really nice because then I mean, again, I have plans. I do have plans to like add C++ scripting, and it'd be really nice to have like static reflection, because then I don't really have to like do a bunch of like weird macros or like weird what's it called? weird macros or like a bunch of regex or something to kind of like read the source to like set up the scripts. Yeah, because right now the way Unreal has it in their engine, they have all those macros everywhere. You have to remember to add to everything. It's kind of annoying. Okay, it's located in the wrong place, but it's got the right idea, right? Yeah, I'm thinking I might not render the background color, to be honest, for this. Yeah, it's just filled with macros. I don't have like a specific issue with like macros in particular. It's just like in order to like get anything set up, you have to be like, oh, this is private with a macro, this is public, and it's like it feels like their own version of C++ instead of just being C++. You know, I don't know. I mean, this is doing the thing, I suppose. Maybe I should translate it up. I gotta put it in the middle somehow, and then I'll be good. But let me try to mess with some of these variables, see what happens. Let's see what saves. Okay, it saves, good. That's a good sign. The bounds don't show anything right now, but I think the line color, I can modify it. Yeah, I can, cool. All right. So yeah, the slider color is gonna be the little like thimble slider thing, right? It's gonna be on top of this and you can like drag it, right? So I'm just not rendering that yet. On press, on move, yeah. So I'll add that in a second. I don't think I have too many void floats. Yeah, just these ones. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty content with that though. I think I'll do some of that refactoring I was talking about off screen, and then I'll get this working. I don't know if I'll do this between this and next stream. I am feeling kind of lazy today. I also want to work my math because I got to prepare for the master's thing. So I will see. No, that's not a great default name. Slider 1. Okay, well, it doesn't crash, so that's a good sign, right? Oh, let me make sure it also, I can see it inside the scripts. No, well, I finished my degree, my bachelor's like a year ago. I've been doing this, trying to like get it working and then just working, doing like another like part-time job in the meantime, but yeah, I figured I'll just do my master's. So I just been like trying to, the university that I went to didn't really fully prepare me for like some of the entrance stuff for the master's program, so I'm just trying to like learn everything again. It's not too bad though. I already know how to code, it's just some of the specifics I always forget. Alright, let's see if I can see this. What was I looking for? I think it was user interfaces, test UI. Hey, there's a slider. Okay, let's try to use it in something. UI service. Which one that's, I think, is widget selected? Yeah, that one's relevant. Do user interface. Test. Window. Slider. Okay, let's make sure it doesn't fail. Yeah, I mean, that looks good. Okay, cool. Alright. As long as I didn't get any weird linting errors. Yeah, should be fine. Alright, cool. Do I want to push the... Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I will. No. Okay. See. What was all this get add? Updates. UI scripts to work with new slider and text input widgets in the runtime UI context. Yeah, I don't know those, but hit push origin main. Okay. These ones don't spawn automatic testing, so I can do that. Commit it directly. Okay, let's go ahead and commit this. The main thing is add basic implementation of slider widget in runtime UI. Runtime UI.cpp. Let's see. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Ooh. Serialize the widget's fields in user interface manager. Okay. And provide editor UI widgets to modify the new slider. The new slider widget in UI editor properties panel cpp/h. Another thing I remember I did is in the editor UI add new slider icon in editor UI.cpp/h. What else I do? Oh yeah. These are all related, so I'm just gonna put them together. Let's see. And expose the slider widget to the KG scripts, two KG scripts. In the script, compiler service.cp. Okay. Yep, that was that. That's was there something else I did here? Okay, let me just look through, see if there's anything else I did. I did some refactoring, but I don't really want to talk about that. Yeah, we're good. Yep. I'm pretty sure I fixed a bug earlier. I don't remember what it was, but I'm kind of too lazy to find it. I don't think it was that crazy. Oh, it was this one. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'll mention it. Resets. Runtime UI. Edit text I-beam cursor when modifying the text at runtime in runtime UI.cp. Okay, I think that's it. So in summary, add basic implementation of slider widget in runtime UI. Okay, I'll go and commit that off stream. I just committed the Pong code, so I think that's good. What else? Let's see. Progress board. I'm still in the middle of adding the slider code, so it's not done yet. Talk about when next stream will be. It should be tomorrow. If I cancel, I will indicate that in my schedule tab inside of my Twitch profile. And you'll also see it on like the little countdown timer. I'll modify that as well. But yeah, I don't think I have any reason to cancel stream tomorrow. So same time, 1 p.m. for about 3 hours or so, 2 hours. Just trying to think anything else. Okay, yeah, I think that's it for me today. So yeah, anyone who's still on the stream, thanks for coming by. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, Fukuzosu, coming by. You were in here recently. Anyone watching on YouTube, thanks for coming by. And yeah, if you're watching the YouTube videos, you can watch this on the video. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a good day or night whenever they're watching this. For sure, Fukuzasu, for sure. Yeah, I think it's gonna be it for me though. Alright, so yep, later.